Crude oil, daily forecast, November 26, fxempire.com. The light sweet crude market, as you can see, gapped at the open to the downside on Monday and actually tested the very bottom of support, bounced hard enough to form a hammer, and thus has us believing that we are still seeing an area that is trying to form some type of base. The biggest concern that we have about shorting here, even though it in theory could be continuation of the downside, is the fact that there's so much support on the weekly time frame in this vicinity, in this market, that quite frankly it's just dangerous to short it. We think that a break higher above the 95.50 area or so, right in this area, should lead to about 98.50, and that's the trade we're actually looking for. If we get that at daily close above that level, we are willing to go long, at least for a session or two. In the meantime, we think that short-term traders will continue to love this choppy action. Over in the Brent market, it's definitely a little bit more impressive to the upside. We did gap lower and scream down from 109 to 108 right away during the session on Monday, but you can see how hard we bounced. With that being the case, we still think that above the 111 area on a daily close sends this market to 113 with relative ease. That's actually what we're waiting on. So we also believe that a pullback that shows any signs of support is probably a buying opportunity as well as the Brent markets continue to outperform the light sweet crude markets.